and welcome to PC Tips Pro. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to send one of those disappearing messages on WhatsApp that disappear after only one view. Now, this is a feature that has been available on Snapchat for a long time, but today I'm gonna show you how to do that on WhatsApp. So first of all, open your WhatsApp app and open the chats of the person to whom you want to send the picture. Then just go ahead and attach the picture. It can be any picture that you want to send, any video, anything. Now, once you're here you can just go ahead and add some captions if you want to add it. Now, but the main thing here is this little one option that you can see on the right side. Just click on that and then it says photo set to view just once. So now if you remove it, this photo can now be viewed multiple times. But if you set it again, it can only be viewed once now. So just send this picture now. And here, as you can see, there is only one view associated with this picture. And the person to whom I sent it can only view this picture once. So this was all about how you send pictures that can only be viewed once on your WhatsApp. Now, if you have any queries regarding this video, make sure to put them in the comment box. And also, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to PC Tips Pro to be regularly updated with these helpful tech content. Thank you for watching, guys.